Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 8.3. Question number 7 is having two parts. We will solve each one of it one by one. The first part says chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. This means the chalk which we use in school, this is the smaller part, I don't have this the bigger one. It contains 10 part of calcium, 3 part of carbon and 12 parts of oxygen, and that is why they have given 10:3:12. Now what they want us to do, find the percentage of carbon in chalk. So whatever the percentage of chalk is in the whatever the percentage of carbon is in the chalk, that we are supposed to find. And for that purpose, as we have solved question number 2, we will solve the same way, right? There also they have given us the percentage, and whatever the part we want to solve, we will solve. So I will write like this: the ratio of calcium, carbon and oxygen is equal to 10:3:12. That is what they have given us. So what we will do, we will find the sum of the part. Therefore sum of the parts is equal to 10 plus 3 plus 12. That will give me 25. Total parts are 25. Now they want us to find percentage of carbon is equal to, what is the part of the carbon? Because it is in middle, so we will take the middle portion only. Percentage of carbon will be 3 parts. Out of how many parts? 25 parts. Multiply by 100 and put the percentage sign. 25 ones are, 25 fours are, and 4 threes are will be 12%. So we have found the answer. I will write, therefore the percentage of carbon in the chalk is 12%. Now let me write the second part. So part 2 says, if in a stick of chalk, suppose this is the whole stick of chalk, in that stick of chalk, carbon is 3 gram. The carbon which is contained in this stick of chalk is only 3 gram. What is the weight of the chalk? Now we have to calculate the weight of the chalk if the carbon is 3 gram. Now since we have to find the weight of the chalk stick that we don't know, what we will do? We will suppose it as x gram. So I will write, let the weight of chalk stick be x gram. Now what they have given us? They have given us weight of carbon which is equal to 3 gram. And what is 3 gram which is equal to 12% of what? 12% of whole chalk, right? Which is equal to 12% of chalk stick. So can I write that if I take this equation, can I write 12% of chalk stick is equal to 3 gram, right? Because weight of carbon is 3 gram and 3 gram is equal to what? 12 gram of the chalk stick. So is equal to, can I write is equal to 3 gram? 12% of chalk stick is equal to 3 gram. That I can write, right? So what I will do, 12% I can write is 12 divided by 100 of chalk stick, of weight of chalk stick, into what is the weight of the chalk stick we have given? X gram is equal to 3. Now we will solve for x. So we will keep x as it is. We will multiply 100 with 3 and divide it by 12. 3 ones are and 3 fours are. That implies x is equal to 100 divided by 4. And if I further calculate, 4 ones are 4, 25s are. So I will get, therefore x is equal to 25 gram. And what is x? X is nothing but the weight of the chalk stick. So I will write, therefore the weight of chalk stick is 25 gram. So this is our answer. Let me again tell you how we have solved this part. We are supposed to find the weight of the chalk stick. So we have given it as x gram. Now they have given us weight of the carbon. So I have written weight of the carbon is equal to 3 gram. But this 3 gram is nothing but the 12% of the chalk. That there is percentage of carbon in chalk is 12%. So I have written which is equal to 12% of chalk stick, that is weight of chalk stick. So I have written the same thing, 12% of weight of chalk stick is equal to 3 gram. Then 12 divided by 100 into x, because weight of chalk stick we have taken is x. We want to find x, so we have kept there only 100, we have multiplied with 3 and divided by 12, and then finally solving we got 25 gram. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once again. It is very important one. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.